Hi, hello, welcome to the Trailhead Solutions YouTube channel. Please do subscribe the channel. Your one subscription allowed to me. So in this video, we are going to complete that super badge, one of the super badge in Trailhead. So the super badge name is Agentforce AI service. So in this particular video, particularly we will complete that challenge one. And to the prerequisite to complete this super badge is we need to complete that agent 4 service and build a service agent with the Agentforce and connect data cloud to Agentforce. So if you are not completed these three challenges, please do go through my videos. I already created videos for these three challenges. So let's go into that today's challenge one. Uh, so first of all, we need to complete this challenge, we need to create hands-on playground. So for that, just click on this link. So for the time being, I already created my own challenge playground. So for yours, you just click on this link one. You need to provide that email and first name and the company name and role and some other details. So once fill all the details, once you submitted this submit button, you receive an email in your email box with that username. So for that, you just reset the password and then you can use it for to complete this challenge. So the trailhead that org will be available only 4 days after that it automatically disable inactivate. So after that, once you created, you need to connect that org to complete this particular challenge. For this to connect that org, you need to just scroll down uh, up to here. Okay, so you need just click on that three dots here from here, and you just need to click on that connect org. So once you clicked on this one, it will ask your username and password. Once you provided these details, it will automatically connect your org. So once you connected org successfully, just by clicking that launch button, you can launch your organization. Okay, so this why we are completing this challenge is so there is a Coral Cloud. Uh, we there is a Coral Cloud resort, so they are providing some offerings uh, to offerings and to give that control over the yeah. Yeah, the use case to provide to create this complete the trial badges. So there is a resort called Coral Cloud. So they are offering luxury seashore destination, and it is a well-known season. It will give well-known seasonal offerings and dedicated to providing personal and high qualified guest experience in this Coral Cloud Resort. So they typically resort typically busiest season in that summer, and they want to give some offerings on that off season months as well. And this year their this research phases are existing but complex challenges and independent, and there is a also called there is a independent film festival is being hosted nearby during this off seasons. So this event is expected a huge volume of the crowd for new and returning guests also. So to add this existing Coral Cloud Resort is hosting several exclusive festival meet and greets events on site. So this resort will provide all high-profile activities combined with that increased guest and demand to recreate that unique operational pressures of that resort. So to meet all these demands, the Coral Cloud Resort decided to implement some AI solutions to the to provide that very good experience to that users. And to complete this challenge, we need to go. The business requirement is we need to create these four steps. The Cloro Cloud having that an agent called like Coro Cloud Experience Agent. So this will handle that all the inquiries and assistance with that booking and festival recommendation and other services. And that first we are going to set up that Coral Cloud Experience agent. So in this agent, we need to configure that agent to deliver the personal and accurate response using trusted data sources like Agentforce, data library, and knowledge articles. To complete this first challenge, we need to move to the setup agent and agent force libraries. So here we need to just configure agent and agent data libraries to deliver accurate and consistent responses. The org is already having a agent for service agent called Coral Cloud Experience Agent. So to turn first we need to turn on that instance setup on the agent force. So for that, we already launched that organization. We need to navigate to that setup menu. Yeah, first we need to enable that Einstein setup. So for that, we need to search for Einstein. So we need Einstein setup. Yeah, here it is there. To turn on Einstein, we need to enable this toggle button like this. So we will get that latest feature with just refreshing that browser once. And the next step we need to activate that agent, force agents. When you see currently that agent force is off, that's why we can't able to see any agent configured in this organization. So to view that default agents, we need to enable this agent force button. And once we enable that agent force feature, so we are able to see that Coral Cloud agent and Coral Cloud experience agent, which are already defaulted in this org. The first one is we need to define that agent role and the context of this Coral Cloud Experience agent. For that, we are moving into that, we are opening this Coral Cloud Experience agent. Yeah. So here we can see the description, role, and the company details. So they are asking to uh, update that description, role, and company. So first we are copying this description and replacing with that existing description. And then next is we are need to change that role also. And the final one is the company information. And that's all they ask for this agent force. So after we updated all three fields, we are saving it. Yeah, the changes are successfully saved. And then next one, they are asking to integrate knowledge article into our agent force builder and ensure agent is grounded is relevant information. Started by managing data source provided access to these articles. Create a data library name. So they are asking to create a data library. For that, for that you just navigate, search for agent. Yeah. So here it is Einstein, not Einstein menu. It is having that agent force data library. Let's see, currently there is no data libraries available. So let's create one data library. And I'm taking that name as that same only. So they didn't given any description for that one so that we can leave as this. Yeah, after that, once it created, they are asking to choose the data type. So as it is a knowledge base, so we are selecting that knowledge as the type, and they are asking to, yeah, so including identify tools, styles, and summary, title and summary. Yeah, so identify field will be title, and this identifying field is summary, and they're asking to select answer and question from that content fields. So these are the content fields, and they are asking to answer and question to select. So that's it for this one. So we are saving it. Let's refresh it. We'll verify that changes is saved successfully or not. Their knowledge, title, summary, and answer and question. Okay, this changes is already successfully shared. And then the next one is integrate the code of conduct and the user agreement files. Now create a new data with the name of code of conduct agent and API of this one. API name is this one and upload the result. So let me download this file. I'm saving it in desktop. Let me create that agent library. I am taking that name as this code of conduct and the description is empty. So here as they asked to create, I'm selecting the files. So I'm uploading the file which I downloaded. I placed in desktop. So for better grounding and for better grounding and responses, rename don't rename it the file name. So this resource grounds agent responses in trusted complaint data. So but don't rename that file name here. So the file is in uploading process. So let's check if anything pending for this one. Note since the data library can only have the data type, you need to create. Okay, so we are done. So for two scenarios, we created two data libraries. Ensure agent role description, company and context reflected Coral. So this already done. And confirm that Coral Cloud experience is linked to knowledge base. So this video and done. So let's see what is it. So for that one, let me open that Agentforce agent. Yeah, this is that Coral Cloud experience agent. Let me open it in Builder, Agent Builder. They're asking and confirm that Coral Cloud agent is linked to this data library. So for this one, we need to go to this data and we need to search for Coral Cloud Agent Force library. Your data is already ready to use. Okay, so all this whatever we selected, the field title, summary, and answer and question, these are there. So we are successfully saved it. And let me check that whether this file is uploaded. Something it's giving error. Yeah, previously it's giving some error while uploading file. Now I didn't done anything. I just refresh the browser and uploaded again. So the now file is successfully uploaded. I think that's it for this challenge one. So let us go to and check and say verify the challenge. In other challenges, we will cover in that next upcoming videos. Yeah, so we already complete this challenge one. Thanks for watching videos. So please do subscribe this channel, YouTube channel. So this one subscription a lot to me. Thank you once again for watching these videos.